In a remarkable development, Subarnapur village in Ganjam district is finally set to receive electricity after 28 long years. The breakthrough came within just 24 hours of Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi ordering immediate action after an OTV report exposed the struggles of villagers living without power for decades. Following the Chief Minister's directive during the District Collector's conference on 18th November, the Dharakote BDO, Zilla Parishad member, local Sarpanch and officials from the Electricity Department rushed to the village. A ground inspection was carried out and work began right away to install electricity poles, marking the first step towards bringing power to the community. Subarnapur, a tribal-dominated village with over 150 residents from 30 families, has survived for years using lanterns and candles. Children were forced to study under dim light, making daily life a constant struggle. Today, the villagers are overjoyed. They thank OTV for highlighting their plight and the administration for initiating immediate action. As electrification work progresses, the village stands on the cusp of a long-awaited transformation, promising brighter evenings, safer surroundings, and better opportunities for the next generation.
आमर असुविधा को मुख्यमंत्री आगे देखिले एवं मुख्यमंत्री आगे सेमानको कर्मचारी को पठेले कहिले कलेक्टर को कहिले आम गाँव रे सुवर्णपुर ग्राम रे करेंट देबे ए कथा सुनी आमे बहुत खुशी हेलु सेति ओटीबी को एवं मुख्यमंत्री को धन्यवाद दउ।
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री कलेक्टर सार को कहया परे कलेक्टर सार निर्देश रे हमर टीपीएसडीएल रो समस्त उच्च पदाधिकारी एवं आम ब्लॉक प्रशासन रो मु एवं असिस्टेंट इंजीनियर एवं आमर जूनियर इंजीनियर आउ अन्य जो आरएच सेक्शन रो क्लर्क समस्ते मिसी जाइथिलु गतकाल ठारू काम आरंभ होईची एवं सेमाने टार्गेट देइचंती जे 10 दिन भितरे से कार्य संपूर्ण हेई परिबो। गतकाल खुंटी पोता आरंभ होईची।